this sausage at the farmer's market. It's from Before and After Farm, so we're really going farm to table. I got my wok out tonight, even though I'm not doing a stir fry, because I've got a lot of volume in my pan, and I find when you spiralize vegetables, it creates a lot of volume, so I like to have my wok with me. So I'm using tonight, this is an induction burner, and this is just perfect for that because this is our non-stick stainless steel line, which is really one of my very favorite lines at the Pampered Chef because it's got this stainless base, a stainless web that comes up, which does an amazing job searing, but it also has a non-stick part of the coating, which allows for super easy cleanup. So what I did was I browned the sausage. I just shut it off so the sausage wouldn't get all dried out. And I used, of course, our famous mix and chop, fastest selling tool we ever had, which will break up sausage, which will break up tomatoes, which will break up broccoli, which will break up ground beef, ground turkey, anything that is anything that you want to cook completely in a pan. So I'm done with my sausage, and here I've got a pound of sausage. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take about a cup of this out because we don't need a whole pound of sausage for only 2 people. And I'm going to take about a cup of this out, and I'm going to store it. I'm going to put the cover on. This is our 1-cup pretzel. I'm going to put it in my freezer because this becomes really wonderful if I'm going to go make a frittata. Lots of things that I can add sausage to. If I'm going to do like a stuffed portobello mushroom, maybe in the air fryer, or I can sometimes add sausage to an eggplant parm. There's a lot of things that you can use on the top of a pizza that you can use crumbled sausage for, and I don't need it all with me here today. So